Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel AviArts&Craft. This is a balance toy and today I show you how to make this cool balance toy. So let's start.
First, I take 3 stick and cut 3 stick in same height. Hold them in parallel. Hold 3 stick in parallel to each other. Then I take the marker pen and mark a line. One is 15 millimeter below from top and another mark is center of 3 stick. Then push the middle stick and line this mark. Add some glue. Then take the normal thread and wrap it like this. Add the super glue to fix the threads properly. Then 3 stick stretch like this and take another stick. Follow this mark and secure to add some super glue. Then cut the extra thread. Then stretch the 2 stick and in this mark I wrap another thread. With the help of super glue, I secure the thread in position. Cut the extra thread. Hold the middle stick in the middle portion of the stick and I take a small copper wire and wrap it in the middle portion tightly. Cut the extra portion by the help of a wire cutter plus and bend the extra portion Our frame is ready. Then I cut the extra portion by the help of a wire cutter plus. Then I put this frame aside. Then I take the normal A4 paper, fold it like this to make small circle. I make this type of cone and I make a small circle. These circles are smaller than the coins. I need these circles, paper circles later. Then I take a coin and add some glue and take the paper circle which I make earlier and fix the paper circle on the coin. I make more. Take paper circle and fix it in the center. Then I take the frame. By the help of super glue, I fix the coin here. Then I take another same type of coin and fix it opposite side. I fix it here by the help of super glue. Now these two coins are set properly. I add more coin in it. 2 is here and another 2 is here. Another 2 coin and done same thing in here. Now I take a plastic ping pong ball, make a hole in here and make a smiley face on it. Smiley face is ready. Now the main frame is ready. I take the body, put this stick into the hole of the plastic ball. Our toy is ready. It looks nice and cool. You can make it with your family, your children, and also your friends. Now I take a glue bottle and put this thing like this and give some adjustment.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel AviArts&Craft. Also like my video. Thank you. Have a nice day.